let's unlock the layer, duplicate it by hitting Ctrl J. So we're using this as a reference and we're editing this one. I'm going to turn off this layer and quickly go to filter and then go to liquify. Now under the liquify we have this face adjustment, so I'm just going to pick on the forward wrap tool instead of the face adjustment, and I'm going to do some manual adjustment. Let's start with the top part of the hair. So I'm going to zoom in, bring the image down, zoom in, and probably bring this inside, or we shift this outside like this to make the hair fuller, just like that. And also this place needs to come up a little bit. Alright, I need to push this place in, so I'm just gonna bring this place down like that and make it curvy. Alright, so now that we are done with that one, I think the next thing we need to do is to fix the jaw or the hand. I'm gonna make it smaller, and either we push this plate outside or we bring back the bones inside. Let's leave it like this and probably adjust it very well. And pick on the face tool and just give a little bit more smile to the image like that, and fix some part of the face and just make it slimmer. Alright, so with that, alright, so next one is to amend the hair. This is the most tricky and important part. So I'm going to grab a new layer first of all, and then select the clone stamp tool. So either we use the clone stamp tool, but before that, let's see what we can do. I'm going to increase it and then zoom in. I'm going to look for where we have a strand, pick on this tool, and then I'm going to select outside part of the tool like this. So I'm going to make a quick selection. Now face the hair itself. So let's grab another layer, and this time I'm going to select all layers. So we need to do this gently, holding down Alt and making sure we are actually something like that. So Ctrl Z, let's make it very tiny, and to remove all of this we need to do it one after the other. So we hold down Alt and make sure our line is selected, and then we keep dragging like this to fix the hair till everything merges together. So like So just a quick one like this. I'm going to create a stem visible layer, Ctrl Shift Alternate E. I'm going to turn off all this, and quickly we can see before and then after. So trying to fix the hair, it's gonna take a long while in fixing the hair, but you can actually do that. And let's continue. I'm gonna quickly fix this one. Sorry, we have this. Okay, so we can hit Alt and quickly come back and do all of this. Alright, so now let's create this time visibility layer. Control Shift Alternate E. Eyelid and the color of the lipstick. If you want to do that, it's very simple. Just choose any of the solid color and then choose OK. Make sure you choose a different color. Let's choose red. I love